Welcome to Blockcast. My name is Philip, and today we are here to give you an update on one of the most interesting projects that I keep talking about. Injective is suddenly moving again, and this time it's not random. After weeks of quiet consolidation, INJ token has exploded higher with strong volume, rising open interest, and a clear shift in momentum. Is this just a short-term pump or the start of Injective's next major expansion phase? So let's break it down. I think this is going to be major, but let's just get into the details. So what stands out is not just the price, but the structure behind it. So there has been a rising trading volume, increasing derivatives activity, strong momentum after a long accumulation phase. This kind of setup usually doesn't happen in isolation, so it often signals that large players are repositioning ahead of a bigger narrative shift. It's positioning itself as a high-performance financial infrastructure layer. Unlike traditional DeFi platforms, Injective focuses on fully decentralized derivatives trading, cross-chain financial markets, ultra-fast execution infrastructure, institutional-grade trading environments on-chain. This matters because the next phase of crypto isn't just about speculation. It's about on-chain financial systems that can compete with traditional markets. If you're holding INJ, the Injective token, or it's on your watch list, whatever, I think you have to pay very close attention to these points that I'm about to make. Number one, momentum plus breakout structure. The price recently broke key resistance levels after weeks of compression, a classic breakout structure if you know a little bit about technical analysis. Rising derivative activities, open interest, and trading activities have seen increasing upside, suggesting more leverage positioning entering the market. And three, DeFi narrative is returning. We have seen progress in the DeFi side, but I think this is more of institutional DeFi than the traditional DeFi that we've known on-chain. So we are seeing early signs of capital rotating back into DeFi infrastructure plays, and Injective is one of the strongest positioned assets in this category. Ecosystem growth. Injective continues to expand integrations, liquidity layers, and institutional facing tools. This move could be more than just a spike. It could be the early stage of a larger trend. But if volume phase and momentum slows, and you understand, if the narrative change a bit, then we are still going to see a bit of a crash. But that will be just short term. I think short term to mid term, anything can happen to any asset, any token. But when it comes to the long term, Injective is well positioned to do massively well, way above what it's doing right now. So this is a key decision zone for the markets and for the entire crypto industry. So if you zoom out, Injective represents something bigger. It represents the broader shift toward decentralized financial infrastructure, on-chain derivative markets, institutional-grade DeFi systems. If crypto enters the next expansion phase, infrastructure tokens like Injective are likely to be at the center of that narrative. So overall, Injective is showing strong momentum, but the real question is whether this is the beginning of a trend or just a temporary move. Even if it crashes a bit, Injective will always belong to the top. Blockcast smart crypto signals. We make sure that we keep you in the loop. Everything happening around cryptocurrency news, narratives, discussions, analysis, everything. Subscribe, hit on the notification bell. Thank you very much. See you soon.